morning or good afternoon. Today is the day when the clock turned
1 hour ahead.
Yes,
so
summertime.
totally
officially.
confusing. My car time is now wrong, so it's not 12, it's 1 something. So
All right, okay. So yeah, we thought today we're gonna be staying at home because of this stormy weather. But weather is getting really nice, and of course we're not going into any levadas or any places where it can be dangerous. But we thought we're gonna just drive around and see.
a couple of waterfalls maybe that we
Yes.
know exist at normal times, and they might be more impressive right now.
It's
And you can see them
beautiful.
from the car, right? So
Yes, exactly. And it is at the moment very beautiful and sunny here in Ribeira Brava. We'll see how it looks like on the other side of the island, north part, right?
that's where we're going now.
So waterfalls.
Oh, I've never seen that one. Whoa,
Ay, ay, ay.
whoa, whoa.
That is huge.
We're on our way to São Vicente, and there is this other Continente, the supermarket, where we always pick up heavier stuff when we have a car. Today we have a car, so we'll just a quick stop to get some.
Yeah.
And there's a waterfall. Jurassic Park.
Gorgeous.
So this is Seisho, the place that we always mention when people ask us if we have a favorite place to go.
That's the one.
That's the one. So we come here when it's warm in the summer, when we have a car in the evening to swim. There is this natural pool down here, and there is a sand beach on the other side, which I want to show you because there are a couple of guys going to surf now. We'll see how that goes. Yeah, today it's not really good to swim because water is quite dirty from all the stuff that comes down the mountains, and the waves are quite
Muddy,
high.
not
It's
dirty.
muddy, yeah, it's
Yeah.
muddy. And yeah, it's not windy, it's quite warm, but the waves are quite strong.
Rougher on here, but
Rougher
it's
north side.
very smooth in the south side
Yeah,
today.
yeah. I thought that weather would be worse here in the north, but it's actually really good.
Clearing up.
It's clearing up, it's warm, it's not windy. So looks like the rain was stronger on the south side last night.
Yeah, and I think it's already going down, isn't it?
Yeah.
Should be good by the evening.
So yeah, let's go and check out the surfing guys. That is Seisho.
Yeah, we love to come here just to see it and enjoy.
Whoa,
Lots of waves.
lots of waves.
Yeah.
So yeah, what's next?
What's next? Porto Muniz?
Porto Muniz?
This direction? Or shall
Yeah.
we go in that direction and drive from there?
And maybe get a pizza.
Where?
Caleta.
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 Oh. Okay. We can go to Caleta.
Let's go to Caleta. Parking is free until 31st of March. We are in Caleta and the weather is amazing. There are people swimming on the beach. I mean, they're not swimming on the beach, they're swimming in the sea. But they're lying on the beach
And swim in the sea.
and swim in the sea. It's so beautiful, warm, no wind. Who would have thought that this day turns out to be so beautiful after that rainy night? You look beautiful. Huh?
Now they serve kombucha, and there are in a few couple of places in Funchal, isn't it? I saw this. They sell. It's original. It's not that much sugar in it. Very natural. Tastes delicious, and I really love it. Very refreshing, and I love kombuchas generally. And look at this design. This is like something I would make for my skincare packaging, for like face toner or something like this, or oil for the massage or something like this. It's beautiful packaging, and I love the design as well. Love it. Kombucha. So what is it? Passion fruit with milk?
It looks different.
It looks very different.
It looks like a Bailey's.
It's something like that.
It's very different, isn't it?
Wow, that's really nice. Ah, it reminds me of some dessert. It's very
It's like a Bailey's, like a creamy.
delicious.
Thank you very much. I love that tree. Looks like those brushes where you clean your glasses, like the you know, when you clean your dishes.
Beautiful.
There's so many of them.
Today got even better. We did not expect that it's going to be so beautiful. We thought it's going to be second day rain, because yesterday it was really raining all day, thunderstorms and rain all day basically. And in the evening we had a power cut, right?
Yeah, we had actually 2 power cuts.
Yes, and then there's no water. We had no water as well. But that was for a short period of time and it got better. So
the expectations for today were kind of low.
yeah, and of course weekends are usually we try to go somewhere in the nature, but unfortunately today no.
The recommendation from the president was
No hikes.
to not enjoy the beauty of, I think that was his words, to
said
not
that.
enjoy the beauty of the island and stay at home.
Yeah.
So we thought we can make a compromise and enjoy the beauty of the island from the car, maybe
In a safe place.
in a safe place, and just stay on main roads and stuff like that.
Yeah.
So we decided to go a little bit to the north side and check out how Seisho looks like. We thought there might be a couple of nice waterfalls along the road, and there were, coming down the mountains from many different places, which we haven't seen before. And yeah, to end the day we came here to Caleta.
It's always warm here and
Yeah.
always sunny.
I don't know if it's always warm here, but
most of the time.
most of the time.
Like 95%.
Yeah.
It's always sunny here.
Unexpected today.
And today especially.
I thought, like, if it's so beautiful on the north side, maybe it's not that nice on the other side. But yeah, nice on both sides.
Yeah, but better.
So
Yeah, enjoyed our favorite place here.
yeah, today we filmed a little bit more, just to show you, because normally when we come here we just want to enjoy. We turn off the camera and just end the day in the hike. So we are not really into filming at that point. But today we try to show you a little bit how our favorite spot looks like here. And yeah,
It's very warm today.
other updates, quick updates. We had our first podcast. Not our podcast, so we don't have a podcast yet, but we were guest on someone's podcast. It was Push and Repeat from
Yeah.
Bob Weber. I'll put a link in the description. And
He interviews people who are
I think changing their
Lifestyle.
lifestyle, travel.
that could be interesting as well
Yeah,
for
so-
others.
I think he's like, listen the podcast, but overall you will learn a little bit more about our
us,
story, how we got to that, how we started.
a little bit more details, something probably what we have not shared yet on YouTube channel here. So
Yeah. So, and it's our
bye bye, have a good day. Oh,
she's so lovely.
Yes,
She's from that pizza place.
pizza place for Marga.
Bye bye.
Bye.
So yeah, when you
Pizza from Manifattura,
Manifattura
di
di
She
Gelato,
works here, so
Yeah. our favorite place here in Caleta. Come here and check it out. Yeah, so where did we stop? Podcast.
podcast.
Our
Very
story,
interesting.
how we got to our slow traveling digital nomad journey. Like, yeah, from when we met to until
Yeah.
today. So we tried to talk about all of it, and
Very interesting. I liked it. I really enjoyed talking about it even.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was great. A great conversation. He's a really also interesting guy he's also lived in another country for 10 years with his family. He has 3 children, and so he wants to move to Madeira as well.
yes,
So interesting conversation. So go and check them out. It's
they
lovely.
should come here soon.
we might
So
we might even
We
meet.
might even meet up, and you might see them here on the vlog.
Yeah.
So yeah, if you want to learn more about our journey, there's now a podcast where we talk about it.
Or
So-
there are interesting other stories.
And there's actually a video as well. So he was recording the call, the Zoom call. So we'll share the link to the video and the audio of the podcast in the description to this video.
Yeah.
So that was that. then yeah, my focus is fully on my product. I launched about 2 weeks ago. I don't know if I shared that or not. And somehow the whole work just started. So my entire 10 years of vision for this product and 1 year of working towards the launch basically just got me to the beginning of everything. So
That's one of the reasons why we don't blog every day, which we really miss a lot.
yes,
And
I would love that. I would love that at least a few times a week.
Yeah, so I think we will stick maybe 2-3 times would be great if we can do that.
Yeah, so we'll try our best, but at the moment my focus is really as much as possible on that product. I need to get that off the ground, and there are lots of features and lots of things that did not make it into this initial release. So yeah, anyway.
Do you want to swim? We have
No?
30 minutes.
No? You?
If you will, I will.
If I will not, you will.
I will
Any-
not.
Okay.
You don't want? That would be cool. Let's go.
You want to swim now?
Why not?
Okay. I was talking about something.
Sorry. We finally decided to do that. After debating for a few seconds, we're doing it. We're doing it.
We're doing it. That was spontaneous.
Spontaneous move.
Yeah, we took our swimming stuff because we were optimistic that we could maybe swim in Seisho, but that did not happen. So yeah, we did it here.
And at first water was cold, but it was actually very nice.
No, it was really very, very cold
In the beginning.
in the beginning, like the
But then-
first few seconds.
But then it was really normal.
Really normal.
Very normal.
After really cold, it was really normal.
It becomes normal.
Yeah.
I
So
loved it. That's great. So where did you stop?
I remember it was somewhere here when you had this idea that we should go swim now,
Yes.
and I was, I think, talking about that I need to focus on my business.
Oh yeah.
I'm happy we did it.
It was worth it.
It's always the things that you don't want to do. I think you said that. You don't want to do it, then let's do it.
Yes.
Her words. And she's right. If there's anything you don't want to do it, do it. I think that's the advice of the day.
No, it's not that things you don't want to do, you should not do them. But if you kind of want them and you are hesitant and you're not sure, shall I do it, shall I not? But there's something you still want to do it, but there's like laziness part.
I think it's the comfort, right? Discomfort.
Yeah.
If it causes you discomfort and you just don't want to go through that discomfort, but you really would love to do it, I think that's the discomfort of like, it's cold water, I want to change quickly, we need to go home, but this few minutes really worth it.
How was it? Yay! I don't know why I always do this.
Yay!
It's like a very childish, I think, thing to do.
Childish thing to do.
Yes. Anyway, very happy we did swim. Water is cold at the beginning, but it's very good later on, so I'm very, very happy.
Yes.